Buenas tardes, nosotros vamos a presentarles el video de la práctica, el video 3 de la práctica 2 de inglés y pasaremos primero por el primer video de verbos y después por el segundo. Empezamos.
Take,
Took,
taken, put,
put,
put, tell,
told,
told, give,
gave,
given,
given,
read,
read,
read, keep,
kept,
kept, begin,
began,
begun, let,
led,
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 hear,
heard,
heard, could,
could,
cooked, eat,
ate,
eaten, run,
ran,
run, bring,
wrote,
brought,
wrote,
become,
became,
become, grow,
grew,
grown, drew,
drown,
drawn,
drown,
show,
showed,
shown, mean,
meant,
meant.
meant. El video 2 va a empezar ahorita. Comenzamos.
Feel,
Felt,
felt, hope,
held,
hope, stand,
stood,
stood, understand,
understood, understood,
lose,
lost,
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 catch,
caught,
caught, buy,
bought,
bought, send,
sent,
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 fall,
fell,
fallen,
fallen,
choose,
chose,
chosen, sleep,
slept,
speak,
spoke,
spoken, meet,
met,
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 lead,
led,
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 beat,
beat,
beaten,
beaten,
hit,
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 drive,
drove, driven,
driven, break,
broke,